Google has begun rolling out the January 2025 patch for Pixel devices, bringing a host of bug fixes, security patches, and other improvements. The January 2025 update is available for Google Pixel 9 series and several older models running on Android 15. The January 2025 update is available on the following devices: the Pixel 9 series, the Pixel 8 series, Pixel 7 series, Pixel 6 series, Google Pixel Tablet, and Google Pixel Fold. Identified by the build number AP4A.250105.002, Google's January 2025 update is expected to improve the overall performance and security of Pixel devices. According to Google's support page, the update for January 2025 addresses issues related to audio, camera, display, graphics, and user interface. The update also resolves an audio delay problem that caused stability issues in various apps on the Google Pixel 9 series, Pixel 8 series, and the Google Pixel Tablet. Moreover, the update fixes two bugs reported by Pixel 9 series users: a camera stability error that occurred when switching to a connected camera, and flashing lines on the phone screen in certain conditions. The January update also includes security patches for several common vulnerabilities and exposures (CVE), including a fix for a moderate severity vulnerability in a Qualcomm audio component. Additionally, two other vulnerabilities identified as CVE 2023-28583 and CVE 2023-33038 discovered in Qualcomm closed source components have also been fixed.